Exercise 12.1 Problem 4 Discussion. Let's read the problem. 3 rotten eggs are mixed with 12 good ones. 1 egg is chosen at the random. What is the probability of choosing a rotten egg? Okay. So, there are 12 good eggs and there are 3 rotten eggs. So, how many eggs are there altogether? 3 plus 12, 15 eggs are there. And we are choosing 1 egg. So, what is the probability of choosing the rotten egg? So, let's list out. 3 rotten eggs and 12 good eggs are given, and totally 15 eggs are there. We are asked to find probability of choosing a rotten egg. Probability is always n of a divided by n of s. So, here what is the event A? Event A is choosing a rotten egg. So, n of the number of rotten eggs divided by total number of eggs. That's how this problem will be worked out. Okay, right. So, as usual, calculate n of s because we need to know the total number of total number of eggs. Then let A be the event of choosing a rotten egg. How many rotten eggs are there? We have 3. So, n of A is 3. So, there are only 3 possible ways of selecting the rotten egg. And what is the probability of choosing a rotten egg? The number of ways A can be selected divided by the number of ways an egg can be selected. The number of ways rotten egg can be selected divided by the number of ways egg can be selected. This is 3 and this is 15. So, it is 3 by 15. Okay. Anyway, we will do that here. So, how will we do that? Number of good eggs equal to 12. We need to have total possible ways. That is the first step. That is S and n of s needs to be there. Number of rotten eggs is 3. So, how many eggs are there altogether? Totally, we have 15 eggs. So, the number of ways an egg can be selected, 15 ways it can be selected. Suppose you number the eggs as 1 to, as we did in the first problem. The tickets were numbered 1 to 100. Like this, there is a number sticker put on top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15 eggs are there. So, you can either select 1 or 2 or 3 or whatever it is. As there are 15 eggs, there are 15 possible ways of selecting the egg. So, n of s is 15. Now, let's say, let A be the event of choosing a rotten egg. How many eggs are there rotten? 3. So, there are 3 possible ways. 3 eggs are there. So, only either the first rotten egg can be selected or the second rotten egg or the third rotten egg. So, only 3 possible ways it can be selected. So, n of a is 3. Suppose there are 5 rotten eggs. So, n of a will be 5. And let's say there is only 1 rotten egg. So, n of a will be 1. How many ever rotten eggs are there? That will be the number n of a. Okay, that is the possible. Think about it. If there is only 1 egg there, that's only 1 possible way, right? Whatever you do, there is only 1 possible way of picking up. If there are 2 rotten eggs, you can either select the first one or you can select the second one. So, there are 2 possible ways. Now, let's say there are 3. So, the first rotten egg can be selected or the second rotten egg can be selected or the third rotten egg can be selected. So, there are 3 possible ways of selecting. Okay. Or in other words, if you, how many ever rotten eggs are there, that is the n of a. Keep it simple. That is easier way of thinking. Wow, total number of eggs, that is n of s. Right. And what is probability of an event A? It's n of a divided by n of s. So, n of a is 3 here and n of s is 15 here. So, it's 3 divided by 15 or that is equal to 1 by 5. Thus, probability of choosing an rotten egg is 1 by 5. Now, I will ask you another question. What is the probability of choosing a good egg? So, good egg means how many good eggs are there? 12. Total number of eggs is 15. So, it is 12 by 15. You got it? Another way of doing is, it is 1 minus, so the egg is only rotten or good. So, you know rotten egg is 1 by 5. So, probability of good egg will be 1 minus 1 by 5, that is 4 by 5. And that's what we got here also, isn't it? 12 divided by 15, that is 3 will go 4 times, 3 will go 5, in 15 5 times, it will be 4 by 5. Okay. Now, let's say the number of rotten eggs is 2. So, what will be the probability of getting rotten egg? Again, the same thing. Sample space will not change because it's the same 15 eggs. The number of good eggs is changed to 2. So the probability of getting to rotten egg is 2 divided by 15. This divided by this. Okay. So I hope I made it clear. If not, please go through this one more time. It will become clear. Thanks for watching this video.